is the entrance to Hyperspace Mountain. But we're gonna head over to here and check out the sub. Here's the Nautilus.
Thank you.
We're heading down to the Nautilus. We're heading into the sub. Treasures.
It's a chamber of Captain Nemo. Oh, look at his bed.
Such a tiny little man.
The cool thing about this, as we mentioned yesterday too, is there are a lot of walkthroughs here. Just, you know, things to see, not rides.
This bathroom when it gets ready. Yeah. There's the diving suits, the diving hole.
Chamber. Be the parlor, living room.
Yeah, this room's real cool.
This is
Oh wow.
little settee areas.
Yeah,
Here's your viewing.
I remember this from the movie where you'd look out the window and watch him dive.
Captain Nemo, quelques jours droit devant. Open the iris.
Oh wow.
It would appear the Nautilus has company.
Des dauphins magnifiques. Ils sont réputés comme certains des mammifères les plus intelligents de la planète.
It's neat, I didn't even know that opened. Now we're heading into the engine room. And we're heading out.
That is a cute little walkthrough.
Mm-hmm. One cool thing about that is you can kind of see the car get fired up.